We have this four-wheeler seat that we're going to recover and resurface. You can tell the seat's been seen better days. So to start off, the first thing we need to do is turn it over. And on the bottom side here, you're going to see all these staples that go all the way around. We're going to go through and pry all these staples out.
Prying them all up with this.
We've got all the staples removed from the outside edge, and I've got the cover off, and so we're going to work on replacing this foam that's all nasty here. One probably would argue that I need to replace all this foam. As you can see, it's pretty dirty here and stuff, but there's a little bit of life left back in this foam here. I don't have a whole lot of spare foam, as you can see here, so the plan here is to take and we'll cut out this section here, and I'm going to drop this block of foam into that, and then we'll use that long skinny one to come up and over the top here. We'll glue the foam into place, and then we'll come back and cut it and shape it so that it's about the same shape as what we've got here on the seat, and then we'll recover it with some vinyl. Staple a couple right there around, and then I'll do the rest of it. One more here. Get a little bit of bubbles in here due to the foam because I didn't take the time to smooth out the foam very good. So some bumps in here that I didn't like when I pulled it tight. You can see these big bumps in through here, and so what I did is I pulled it back off, and I probably should have done this ahead of time. I took the grinder and just went over the foam, and that's kind of smoothed things out a lot, and I like that a lot. I've been having a little bit of a hard time stretching this, and I found that because of these angles, things were pulling on each other. So what I did is I cut a little bit of strips in here, and it's allowed the tension on these edges to come all apart. So putting a little bit of these slits in here like this has really helped out a lot when it comes to stretching the vinyl. So we took that apart. Now we're going to have to re-stretch it again. Alright, well, what we're going to do now is we've got the seat done and stretched, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to tack this thing and put a lot more staples in it so it doesn't come out on us, and we'll trim off all this extra vinyl here and call it done.